Hey, it's Ryan at Strathmore Dodge. Here we have our 2022 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This one does have the Hemi under hood, so it is gas. On this guy you do have remote start, power drop tailgate. You do have the bed power outlet. Power cloth seats, they are heated as well. You do have the heated steering wheel. You've got the 8.4-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got a backup camera. All your auxiliary hookups there. Come on down to Strathmore Dodge, come check it out, or send any inquiries to Ryan at strathmoredodge.com.